Hi, my name is Manikumar Reddy and my MIT ID is MIT192348. So today I'm going to explain the tools NMON and Power Tool. So basically NMON tool is fully interactive performance monitoring command utility tool for Linux. It is a benchmark tool that displays performance about the CPU, memory and network disks. So I'll show you the execution by sharing my screen. So in order to install the tool, we need to enter a command sudo space apt. Then enter. Then we need to enter a password. Then enter, and the packages are installed. As soon as the packages are installed, we are supposed to enter a command called nmon. Then enter. So we can see the nmon tool is running. So in order to basically this nmon tool is used to list the top of the process that are currently working on our system. So in order to display the process, we need to click a key called like T. So now once after clicking on a key called T, like on a keyboard, the list of the process are displayed on the screen. So in order to store these, like the process, the first 10 we need to click a key called F. Once after clicking on F, we need to supposed to go to a new terminal again, and then again we are supposed to click a command. In order to save the first 10 process, we are supposed to enter a command called nmon -s10 space -s10. Then enter. Now in order to check whether the file is saved or not, we need to enter a command called ls. That's list of files. ls. Enter. So here you can see the document like Kali, name with 200902120 like in .m, which is a file which we stored the processes. So next, I'm going to explain the tool PowerTop. Basically, PowerTop is a Linux tool which is used to diagnose issue with power consumption and power management. In addition to being a diagnostic tool, PowerTop also has an interactive mode. You can use the experiment with various power management settings as well. So in order to execute the installing PowerTop, just like we install like nmon, we need to enter a command called sudo space apt install. Then click enter. Now we are supposed to enter a password. Then click enter. So we can see that the packages are all installed. So once after installing this, we are supposed to enter a command just to execute this PowerTop tool. We are supposed to enter a command called sudo PowerTop. Then click enter. So after the installation processes can be executed at the PowerPoint command with administrator privileges. So this is the startup screen of PowerTop tool, which shows the overview of the system process. So just to store the all this process, we need to go to a new terminal again. Then click a command called sudo space top. Enter. Now we are supposed to enter again a password and enter. So the power top starts leaving. So now we are supposed to wait like almost like 20 seconds, and then click a command called power top again. Just to enter the tool. Enter a command called CSV CSV. We are supposed to wait almost like 20 seconds. So the all the processes are stored into a file like so. Then after waiting like 20 seconds, you are supposed to enter like command call ls, just like we did with nmon. Now we are supposed to enter like command call ls, then enter. So as soon as we enter this ls, we can see a document called like report.csv. So in order to check the documents, like for both nmon and power top tools, we need to go to documents. So these are the list of the process where each memory consumed for processing, and the other document for like power top, where which is stored it as like report.csv. Which is also like in the same way. Basically, power top is used to like analyze the power consumption of each process that currently working in our system. So this is what I'm supposed to explain. Thank you.